Do not do this. Do not try this unless you're a professional tornado chaser. I want to know, do y'all get hazard pay? That's all I want to know. This is what they do, y'all. Do you hear? They do this to give information to us. Okay? Nobody got hurt. Ooh, thank you. But why y'all? What you expect when you on a tornado? Inside it. Do y'all get hazard pay? What kind of benefits y'all get? Cause what if y'all go see Dorothy and Toto? Y'all brave as I couldn't do this. I gotta go. It's too long.